Sacramento County health officials with an update tonight on where things stand in the fight against COVID after the Omicron variant was found in county wastewater. The county marking 100 weeks of its COVID response.
Yeah, CBS 13's Adrian Moore is here with their findings tonight. Adrian.
It's hard to wrap your head around 100 weeks here, guys. The Sac County public health leaders say we're seeing about 200 new COVID cases a day right now. But despite Omicron being detected in the local wastewater, they have yet to see a confirmed case.
To date, we have not been notified of any clinical cases of Omicron from sequencing, but not all specimens are sequenced. So they probably exist. We just haven't gotten one yet.
The county is reporting an uptick in COVID cases, mostly tied to holiday gatherings. Sacramento County's public health lab is now doing genome sequencing, processing 40 samples a week. But it can still take up to several weeks to get results. As for those sewage samples, only low concentrations were found by researchers between November 30th and December 4th. Daily testing of the wastewater will continue, with results being sent to the county within 24 hours.
Adrian, thank you. New tonight, the FDA has authorized booster shots for 16 and 17-year-olds. Adding teenagers could help the lagging booster shot rates. Only 26% of eligible Americans have received the boosters so far.
Tonight, as new data rolls into our newsroom on the Omicron variant, Delta is still doing damage.
We're definitely seeing this Delta wave hit across the U.S. right now.
23 different states have had more than a 20% increase in case numbers.
COVID cases are surging in parts of the Midwest and Northeast, including record high hospitalizations in Michigan, New Hampshire, and Maine.
But we expect to see other areas of the country also light up in the next several weeks.
Likely Delta, but Omicron is spreading.
Scientists are working around the clock looking into this.
U.S. labs that track variants are struggling to keep up.
It is a significant effort. Our staff are exhausted.
But we're learning more. Pfizer says adding a booster increases its vaccine's protection by about 25 times.
A third dose appears to be necessary at this time. That's what's going to protect us.
Which begs the question, will the definition of fully vaccinated change?
It's going to be a matter of when, not if.
I fully agree with the idea that to be fully vaccinated today, you need to have 3 doses, a 2-dose prime for the J&J vaccine.
About 25% of people who've been vaccinated have also gotten a booster shot. But as health experts push vaccinations, there's some pushback on mandating them. The Senate voted to repeal the federal vax or test mandate for private businesses with 100 or more employees. But that move, with 2 Democrats joining Republicans, was largely symbolic. Since a vote is unlikely in the House, and the president would certainly veto it if it landed on his desk.
New at 5, a murder charge has been added to the list of charges for a suspect accused in a brutal Thanksgiving Day attack. Tuolumne County investigators say Anthony Quintero beat 77-year-old Frank Marashak and another man at a retirement community in Sonora. Marashak later died.
Tonight, the city of Sacramento and Sac PD are facing a lawsuit for withholding public records related to a variety of protests.
Return to CBS 13 investigative reporter Julie Watts, digging deeper into the struggle to get answers here, Julie.
Yeah, so the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights in San Francisco Bay Area filed a lawsuit earlier this week stating they've been waiting a, quote, unjustifiable amount of time for Sacramento to respond to their public records requests. Their lawsuit does name both the city of Sacramento and the police department, alleging Sac PD is withholding records related to a series of protests between 2020 and 2021.
Under the law, the public has the right to know this information and shouldn't be forced to wait for 10 months.
The city says it can't comment on the lawsuit. Tonight at 6, we're digging deeper into concerns related to how Sacramento handles public records requests.